Today we are looking at the Infinix Hot 70 Pro, a smartphone that clearly focuses on premium design, smooth performance, and everyday reliability. As you can see in the image, the phone is placed neatly on a crystal-clear glass table, connected to a charging cable, giving a realistic and modern lifestyle vibe. This setup perfectly represents how the Infinix Hot 70 Pro fits into daily life: stylish, practical, and always ready. Let's start with the design. Infinix Hot 70 Pro looks surprisingly premium for its category. The slim body, clean edges, and glossy back panel reflect light beautifully, making it look expensive even at first glance. The phone lies flat on the table, showing how well balanced and slim it is. This design is perfect for users who care about aesthetics as much as performance. Whether you are using it at home, office, or cafe, it easily grabs attention. Moving on to the display, the Infinix Hot 70 Pro offers a large, vibrant screen that is ideal for watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games. Colors look punchy, text appears sharp, and overall viewing experience is smooth. The screen size makes it comfortable for long YouTube sessions, Netflix, or even online classes. For users who spend hours on their phone daily, this display feels easy on the eyes. Now let's talk about performance. Infinix Hot 70 Pro is designed for smooth everyday usage. Apps open quickly, multitasking feels responsive, and normal gaming runs without major issues. Whether you are switching between WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or browsing the web, the phone handles tasks efficiently. For students and office users, this phone easily manages daily workloads without lag. One of the most important features is the battery life. Infinix Hot 70 Pro comes with a strong battery that easily lasts a full day on normal usage. The image also shows the phone connected to charging, highlighting how important fast and reliable charging is in real life. Whether you are working, traveling, or watching content, you don't have to worry about charging again and again. This makes it a solid choice for people who stay busy all day. The camera performance of Infinix Hot 70 Pro is also impressive for its segment. It captures clear photos in good lighting, with decent color balance and detail. For social media users, this phone is more than enough to click photos, record videos, and upload content instantly. The front camera is suitable for selfies, video calls, and online meetings, making it a good option for content creators and students. In terms of software experience, Infinix has improved its interface a lot. The UI feels modern, smooth, and easy to use. Useful features, customization options, and smart tools make daily usage more enjoyable. Even first-time smartphone users will find this phone simple and friendly. Overall, Infinix Hot 70 Pro is a well-balanced smartphone that offers style, performance, and battery life at the same time. It is perfect for users who want a good-looking phone with reliable features without spending too much. If you are looking for a phone for daily use, social media, online work, and entertainment, Infinix Hot 70 Pro is definitely worth considering. If you like this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us bring more honest reviews like this.